today's class, we are going to do repeating patterns with the help of this beautiful lampshade. Number one, we have 4 patterns, 4 motifs given to us, which we are going to continue as patterns. Now, what is the difference between a motif, a pattern and a design? These are 3 words which are interrelated. Number one, motif. Any one line design is known as motif. Any one design is known as a motif. When we continue making that motif for more than one time, it is said to be a pattern. For example, I wake up every day and brush my teeth. That is my daily pattern. So, a thing which I repeat every day becomes a pattern. So, same way in art, when we repeat one motif one after the other, it is said to be a pattern. So, let's start with the artwork. So, we have this motif and let us see where all we have to make it. So, let's begin. So, we have this whirl as our motif. Number one. So, now we are repeating the motif to form a pattern. Again. And our first pattern is done. So, our one motif, it is getting repeated one after the other to form a pattern. Same way, we have the second motif which is in blue color. So, it's a square motif. One, two, three, 4 and 5, and the last one. So, we are done with our next pattern. Now, the third pattern that we have is in green color and it goes for a triangle. So, the third pattern is green colored triangles. Let's do it. One, two, three, 4, and 5. So, we are done with the third one. And now, when I see my picture, the first pattern is repeating again. So, let's go for the red color once again. my red motifs, we are repeating them again. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the floral motif in the last is orange colored, for which I am going to take orange color and let us see how to make it. It goes this way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, the upper part of our lamp is done. Let's move to the lower part. Then again I can see the red color motif getting repeated. Again, I'll go for the red whorls, making a pattern of the motif. Now I'll be taking the blue color again and making the square motifs. Now for the arms, we have the square motif again. And now for the leftover area, we have to continue with the same pattern. So, we are done with the pattern making. I hope you enjoyed the class. Keep practicing patterns in your daily life and in art. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning.